Here's a little Lombard chainsaw. Sort of a beastly looking unit. Pretty good shape for its age. I put a new fuel line on it and got her running. And she sounds pretty good. There's no bar and chain with this one. I'm not sure what model it is, but I'll research it and see if I can put it on the listing. It's pretty much like an XL12 home light chainsaw, but I'm sure it's got its own uniqueness to it. I've heard that they look like an XL12, but nothing interchanges on them. So anyways, I'll fire it up for you. So yeah, runs pretty good. Probably needs a tune-up and a carb kit. That rattling around is just the clutch spinning because there's no bar and chain on it. So anyways, nice little chainsaw.